Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 3 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 9 tan t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. We do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about dx equals to 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one to change for s. Similar for this one. The s we change by this one. So this one you got about 9 tan t square. This one you got about 9 tan t. Number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one you got about secant of t square. Now we need to simplify 3 secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And then I will put number 3 go outside. We know that tan t, that's about sin t over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative number 9 ln of the absolute value of cosine t. Because if I do first the derivative of negative number 9 ln of the absolute value of cosine t, you got about this one in here. The integration of number 4, you got about 4t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And then we put about t equals to arctan of x over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.